couple of months ago at my aunt's facility. They were having a yard sale, and I purchased myself a Nutribullet 900 series, and I've not used it before, so I thought I would try it today. I got these 2 different containers with it to mix with, and I was at the store and I saw this. It's called Fresh Success. It's chocolate banana smoothie mix. Wake up your fresh fruits and vegetables. No artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. Now, I thought this was interesting. And it said you need 1 ripe banana, medium to large, 1.5 cups of skim milk, and 8 large ice cubes. Well, these aren't extremely large, but they're 8, maybe 10, because I gave a few extras. So I'm going to try this and see how it works. It just says you put everything in. Directions: in a blender, add banana. So we'll put the banana here. Let me get a spoon. Oh, just happens to be my Grammie spoon. Okay, we've got that. And it says milk and ice. Put the milk right in just like that. And the ice. Wow, this didn't want to come out. There we go. And then we're going to screw this on. And I've never used this before. They were doing donations. I didn't even know how much one of these cost. So I gave them $30. It's to help the Alzheimer's clinic. I don't know if that was good or bad, but that's what I gave them. I may be making a mess. Oh, you know what? I got chatting and I forgot to put the envelope in here. I thought, that's an odd color for being chocolate. It's okay. Let's see here. You're gonna rip it just like that. It's a dreary day here in Maine. I've been out with my aunt all day. It's been a good day though. Every day's a good day. Okay, just like that. Now we're gonna screw the cover on. And let's hope we don't make a mess here. There we go. Just like that. Seems like it's seated in. And I was told just to push it down. Oh my, I guess it works. I don't know how to stop it though. Looks like it might be all mixed up. We'll find out. Guess I don't have too many muscles this morning. It's got a good seal, I know that. Oh yeah, this looks good. At least I gotta be careful when I wash all that. Let me pour it in here. See, that's what it looks like. Perfect. Takes just about a full glass here. Very good. Actually, you can taste a lot of banana in it. That's really good. Again, this is called Fresh Success. It's a chocolate banana smoothie. And if you have a Nutribullet talk to me about it down in the description box below, because I don't know anything about it. I'm just winging it. So as you can see, I've got some action going on here on my channel, so please give me thumbs up. And you never know what's going to be on my videos. You can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Have a great day. God bless.